Astronaut Plays back again. We're gonna be playing some puppets. If you watch my Piggy videos, then you'll kind of know how this game plays. Like Piggy, it's kind of dead now because they've stopped updating the game, so well, the game kind of sucks now. I mean, it doesn't suck for me, not for me at least, but like, it's not much people play it as much as they used to, like back when it's still released. Anyway, I think it's a great game. Am I so? Okay, there we go. So like Piggy, there's a killer, and you have to survive it, while also getting various items, using them to eventually get the white key and escape. And this particular version has like a juicier lore, kinda. I don't know where to use this orange key. Again, it's based off of a child's show, so kind of makes it creepy. But hey, that's the best part. Hey, why did you guys follow me here, bro? Oh shoot. I just ran, bro. I didn't even think to just look back. And now that I think about it, I probably should have. Anyway, I've really grinded a lot at this game because, well, I played it while it was still released, new. And right now I'm at level 30, and I escaped like 70 times. Not nearly enough to get to leaderboards, but I'm sure you get there. Anyway, I'm gonna show you my skins. And honestly, the new character update has been so bad. Like, it was better when the thing didn't update, because it was like just better. The characters didn't have these random names, and they actually looked like ones from Sesame Street. Now, like, you can barely even recognize them anymore. But other than that, I still think it's a great game. As good as it was back in the olden days. You know what I mean? Usually I'm not supposed to be playing video games during school days, but my mom allowed me for like an hour. So, yeah, I'm here. This was actually pretty funny.
Oh hell no! God damn! God damn!
Okay, bro. I like this one.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
Maybe when I have enough money, I'm thinking of buying this robot animation block. So anyway, yeah, this is like the survivor pass, I guess. I guess I can still get all these since it like literally don't even update the game anymore. So anyway, I'm sure you guys wouldn't want to see this, so we're just gonna skip all this and get to my next game. Anyway, we're back. The game's ended, and well, look, there's only 2 of us. So I think I might be doing Bob for this one. It will be a nightmare. double skipped there. And well, we have to do boss since I'm like the only person who's gonna join. Okay, now let's see. So those are all the items I need to get. Ooh, found the gun. Need to get some ammo for it. I don't think anybody else is gonna join me, so might be alone in this. Oh man, I hate having to do things alone, especially with these kind of games. These kind of games are like always best played with somebody. Open up, bro. Open up, bro. Open up, I said. Okay. Nope, that'll work. I need to go back. Go. Go. Crazy. I was taking the stairs, bro? Okay. Yeah, I thought it was like not the lightest. Brightest, I swear. Oh wow, glad to see somebody's joining me. Oh man. Okay, I need to go back. Okay, I got this. Boop, I got it. I died. Yeah, I think I died. Yeah, I'm gonna respawn. Yeah, I'm gonna jump back into the game. Because I ain't giving up that easily. I'm not giving up without a fight. Oh look, she's after me. Joy. I got the crowbar. Don't know where I should use it though. Use this to open something shut tightly. Okay, I know what crowbars are used for, but like, where? Oh, hold on, maybe like where those like rock thingies are that lead to like the basement. Yeah, I've played this map before. Never escaped it though. Here, maybe? No, I need a hammer. Don't know why you need a hammer for that. But... Ooh, over there. Go. Yes. The hatch. Alright, now what else do we need? Okay, so we need we need a few stuff. Let's see if there's anything in the, right here. Oh no, somebody already grabbed that. Said, oh look, oh yeah, I need the gun. Right now, we're not really making much progress. Mainly because I had to do half of it alone. Well, I found the place for the blue key. Ooh, yellow key. I don't think that one's been used. Alright, let's see where I can use this. Oh yeah, up the house. Over there. Is this, oh no, that's orange. Yellow's upstairs. Hammer. Oh, okay, why though? Yes. See, go down. I got the hammer, guys. Okay, I think I remember where I should use this. Somewhere. I can't remember where. Man, I really hope the revive was worth it. It's almost 15 Robux. Oh, I think this is like here. Oh, I broke the barrier here. Am I finished using the hammer? Nope, I can still use it on something else. Get the hammer, bro, move! Okay, that was weak. Alright, I need to find the others. Fast. Well, it's not after me at least. Okay, where to use this? Okay. Crowbar. Nope, already used that. Okay, has to be somewhere over here. This way. Ooh, the blue key! Or you know what? I'm not finished with the hammer. It's there somewhere, bro. It's in the maze somewhere. Can't remember where though. Oh man, we are not doing good. Ooh, there it is! Finally, I got it. Alright. Now I can go back for the blue key. Which I believe is on this side. That side. This side. Okay, we've only completed like half of the stuff, and we've only got like 3 minutes left. So, okay, actually less than that. So, like, we really gotta lock in. Oh, if I remember, the blue generator's at the basement. The basement hasn't been opened up yet. Man, we are not good at this. Ooh, red wrench. I'll actually get that. Because I think I know where this one goes. Ooh, somebody's got the green one, I believe. Ooh, yep. Seems like it. Well, I got the red one, so. Whoopsies, after me now. Oh, finally, people are joining. Well, I'm not alone in this. At first, it was just me and me alone. Now I've got like a whole team with me. Or just trying to work towards the same goal. Yeah, we've got like less than 1.5 minutes. So like we've got to do this fast. If I remember where these things go anyway. Somewhere. Uh-oh. Well, killers claimed its next victim. Alright. Okay, things are not looking good right now. Okay. Boy, are we sucking right now. Yep, the revive was totally not worth it. Don't know why, but jump. Oh, found it. Well, probably be too late anyway.